Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can add a customer logins onto your Shopify account. So first off, let's check if my website has a customer login. Let's click on customize. And as you can see here, there's a logo for the customer login right there. But sometimes other users might not see this, and I'll show you how to make it show up. So let's exit back to the dashboard, and then let's go to settings. On settings, let's go to customer accounts. And if you don't see it, you just have to click this. Show login links in the header of online store and at the checkout. I'll show you what happens if I turn it off. I'm gonna exit out, gonna go back to online store, gonna go back to themes, gonna go back to customize. Give it a second to refresh. You'll see once it refreshed and updates, the login link no longer appears here. It's just a search bar and it's just a card. Let's go back, exit. Let's go back to settings. Let's go users permission. Sorry, I mean customer accounts. And let's click on show login links. Let's click out. Make sure it's customer accounts, not legacy. Let's go back. Now, wait for it a couple seconds. Wait for it to refresh. After that, click on customize. You'll see the login link has returned. You can also add a manual customer login. You can log in your customers from here. You can click on add customer with this. You'll see there's a lot of options here as well. I'm just going to do this. The language is this. And then phone number. The email is going to be johndoe@johndoe. There's also a default address you can add. I'm going to random stuff here. Random stuff again. I'm going to click on save. I'm going to click on save as well again. I'm going to change this real quick. Gonna click on save again. Let me just add in a random phone number, just like this. Okay, there you go. We have manually logged in a customer like this. So later they can log in with this information right here, and they will automatically have this account attached to their informations, right? So again, it's in customers, and then you can add customers here.